Hello everyone, my name is Lila Namsaran, student ID 2310111102007. Today our group will present about how healthy eating affects our body. Did you know that what we eat every day can actually change the way our body works? People who eat healthy food are less likely to get sick and live longer than those who don't. Eating healthy food is very important for our body, but most people don't really understand how it affects us. So today, we are going to talk about the process of healthy eating. We will explain the different steps and show what's happened in each step. Now let's move on to the first step, choosing nutritious food. Please welcome Bonus.
Step 1. Choosing nutritive food. The first step is choosing nutritive food. Fresh food, vegetable, and well-drained are. Vitamin and mineral are provided to keep our body strong and healthy. For example, vegetable give us fiber, well food give us natural sugar and vitamin C. When healthy food is selected, the body starts to work more efficiently. Next video, we'll talk about how to balance our meal.
Thank you, Ms. Bonus. The second step is balancing meal. Each meal is divided into carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in proper amounts. Sugary and oily foods are limited to prevent obesity and heart disease. A balanced meal gives us energy for daily life and helps control blood sugar. In this stage, our eating habits are improved and our body is maintained in good condition. Now, Ms. Fasa will explain how food is used inside our body.
Thanks, Dil. The third stage is body absorption and energy use. Nutrients from food are absorbed into the blood through the small intestine. Then, energy is produced to help muscle, the brain, and organs work properly. When nutrients are digested completely, we feel more energetic and active. This process happens every time we eat and help us grow stronger every day. Finally, let's move to Byfern, who will tell you about the long-term health benefits.
Thank you, Fasai. The final step is long-term health benefits. The immune system is strengthened and chronic diseases such as diabetes and heart disease are prevented. When healthy food is eaten regularly, our body becomes stronger. Our skin looks better and our mood improves. So, as you can see, eating healthy foods is not just about diet. It's a process that keeps our whole body working well. It is really an amazing process that happens every day. Like sleep and water, we can't live without healthy eating. So today, our message is simple. Healthy eating is not about being perfect. It's about making better choices. Start small. Swap fast food for gear food. Choose water instead of sugary things. Your body will thank you in the future. Because every healthy choice you make today is an investment in the future you want. Thank you for listening to our presentation.